The cooling trend that started in July continued into August, but sales prices are still way up compared with last year. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Let's start with the East Bay big picture. The number of homes for sale in the East Bay during August dropped compared with both July and this time last year. Sales prices also dropped for a third month in a row, yet were still more than last August. As with inventory, the number of homes sold was down compared with June and July, and just slightly higher than last August. Let's see what happened locally, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, mixed. Fewer choices for buyers in Albany and Berkeley. Fremont down 38%. Newark down more than 50%. More choices in Alameda and in the Central County communities, Castro Valley, Hayward, San Leandro, and San Lorenzo. Prices, double-digit increases everywhere. Castro Valley 1.258 up 30%. Fremont 1.478 up 15%. Oakland 1 million up 12%. San Leandro and San Lorenzo both up more than 20%. Sales strong almost everywhere. Berkeley 77 sold up 35%. Fremont 184 up more than 20%. Hayward 105. Union City 42 up more than 80%. Next up, we'll go to West Contra Costa County. More homes on the market almost everywhere. Slight drop in El Cerrito, while Richmond is down more than 40%. Prices up everywhere. Richmond 778 up more than 25% from last August. Sales up almost everywhere. El Cerrito and El Sobrante both up more than 60%. Central Contra Costa County is next. Fewer homes for sale almost everywhere. Inventory in Concord and Martinez down 15 and 13%. Walnut Creek, 34 homes for sale, down more than 45%. Prices up almost everywhere. Pleasant Hill more than 1 million, up 18% from last August. Walnut Creek 1.418, up 13%. Sales mixed. Clayton unchanged. Concord and Pleasant Hill down almost 20%. Walnut Creek 64 sold, up 14%. Let's check out La Miranda. Homes for sale, down compared with last August. Orinda, 16 homes on the market, down more than 60%. Prices, modest increases everywhere. Orinda leads at 1.9, up 8%. Sales, mixed. Lafayette down almost 30%. Orinda, even with the 1.9 price tag, 47 sold, up more than 50%. The Tri-Valley was all about tight supply and high prices. Homes for sale down almost everywhere compared with last August. Alamo 27 for sale, down 50%. Danville and Pleasanton both down 40% or more. Prices record setting. Alamo tops 2.4 million. Dublin, Pleasanton, and San Ramon all north of 1.6 million and each up more than 40%. Sales mixed. Alamo, Danville, and Dublin all down from last August. Pleasanton, 87 sold, up more than 20%. Let's go to the Delta and then we're done. Homes for sale, more choices everywhere. Antioch, 98 for sale, up more than 81%. Oakley, 52, massive increase from last August. Prices up everywhere. Antioch, 645, up almost 30%. Brentwood, 780. Discovery Bay, Oakley, and Pittsburg each up almost 30%. Sales mixed. Discovery Bay 22 sold, down more than 50%. Oakley 58 sold, up almost 50%. In the before times, August was typically the end of the real estate season. Will low interest rates mean we see a rally in the fall? We'll find out. Stay healthy. We'll see you next month.